Hi everyone, this is Erica from the Gloucester County Library. I want to show you how to explore some of the websites and databases that the Gloucester County Library offers through our website, www.gcls.org. I'm going to start with my desktop, choosing a browser to access the internet. Today I'm going to choose Firefox. Double-click on Firefox. And when the internet comes up, go to the toolbar or address bar at the top and type in www.gcls.org. You can then either hit return or you can hit this little arrow on the side. When you reach our website, you'll notice this blue bar at the top. Scroll over until you reach eReference. Drop down to Online Resources, over to Databases A to Z, and click. Scroll down until you reach today's database exploration, which is Learning Express. Learning Express is a test prep and practice exam tool that is used all over the country by schools, universities, and libraries. The first time you use it, you will probably be prompted to enter an email address and make up a password. After that, you can simply access it using your library card number. Your PIN is the last 4 digits of your library card. Click Sign In. And this will take you to the home page of Learning Express. You can search for a particular test if you know the name of the one you want to practice test for. This one is a pharmacy technician practice exams, or you could actually search using the word pharmacy. And you see all the choices that come up. Before we do a little more exploring, I want to show you some of the subjects that are offered: career preparation, high school equivalency, college admissions tests, adult core skills. You can improve your math skills, be a better reader, improve your writing. You can even become a U.S. citizen if that's something that you or someone you know is interested in. It offers basic test practice, ebooks that you can read, flashcards and articles. And this is also offered in Spanish. We go back to the home page. Adult core skills can also or Computer Skills Center can go anywhere from the very basics of learning how your computer works to popular software tools, Microsoft Word, Outlook, Excel. Feel free to explore any of these. Since everyone is home and has lots of time to think, today we're going to look at the career preparation website. When I click on that, a drop-down list appears, and you can choose learning more about a different career. Maybe you're thinking of changing where you are. You can see all the different careers that offer exams and exploration within this website. From teaching exams, preparing for the praxis, real estate, nursing. They get very specific over here, as you can see. Military, law enforcement, EMS services, electrician and plumbing. You can see all of the different exams that this website can help you prepare for. Another great thing is the job search and workplace skills. You can strengthen your resume, rewrite your resume, practice your interview skills. All of this is available on this website. You can also explore the different centers broken down. You can see by different subject areas. When you hover over those different areas, you can see all the different subjects that are offered within that area. Another great tool offered to you by Gloucester County Library. Please have fun exploring this and many of our other databases that can be found on our home page, GCLS.org. Stay healthy, everyone.